To the ring we start, where Jamaica's Ramel Sub-Zero Lewis says he's seeking to improve his ring record of 7 wins and 8 losses when he faces Canadian Wasim El Sinawai in the Contender Series tonight, starting at 9:30 at the Chinese Benevolent Association headquarters. Lewis says he's in great shape and has been sparring with 2 of the country's best boxers for the past 3 months.
I'll say I have to keep my focus and definitely look before I just pick my spot, and definitely I have to step to him. I'm in a very good shape. I'm in gym with Mullins and them, so I'm in good shape and getting good sparring, so I'm definitely ready. I've come in this year and make my statement because definitely I need to reach as far as possible. I'm taking this fight one time at a time.
Meanwhile, Lewis's opponent for tonight's fight, El Sinawai, says he's here to show Jamaica and Canadian boxing fans that he's a much better boxer than compatriot Myron Zeffirino, who was the top-ranked fighter for the Canadian team and who only lasted 21 seconds against Jamaica's Nico Yayo last week.
And I'm coming to take over. You know, I want to make a statement to everybody, show everybody who's the best boxer and maybe the best man win. You know, if he's better than me, you know, all goes to him. You know, I give him the credit and everything. For anybody that can beat me, you know, in this tournament, I give him the credit. You know, I'm just in here to do my best.
Of course, TVJ will have live coverage of tonight's fight starting at 9:30.